Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to set envelope DL paper size in Excel. So guys, it's very easy to set this paper size. So first you need to click on here, page layout, now size, and you need to find this envelope DL, this paper size. If you find this, so just click on it to set this size. And you cannot find here, you need to click on here, more paper size and paper size. Click on here and you can find here this paper size. Select it and click on OK. So this way you can very easily set envelope DL paper size in Excel. So thanks for watching this video.